becomes real, yeah. Hey, 10 years doing something I hate. What a waste, what a fucking mistake. Too long I've been stuck in this place, rusting away for what? Believe it or not, I'm leaving my job this evening. No reasoning could leave me the bud. Soon as I clean his coffee machine, I mean it, I'm off. I'll be meeting the boss, pulling up a seat in his office and confessing it's something that we need to discuss. So be like, no amount of money's even enough. I can't be awaiting no more, man, it's eating me up. And I apologize dearly if it's seeming abrupt. You're getting dumped to being on the receiving end sucks. Look, I love to give you 2 weeks to a month, but 2 minutes more of this and I'll completely erupt. So I'll just leave now. Cheers, my hospitality sucks. And by the way, I always thought you were an arrogant cunt. And then I'm gonna like walk out of there like and just start high-fiving everybody in like slow motion, man. It's gonna be so fucking sweet. Oh mate, the things I'm gonna do once I quit this fucking job. Hey man, I can't take it anymore. I'm sick of spending 40 hours working in a restaurant, but I'm forever poor. I'm sick of reading bad spelling on a specials board and people telling me that screw top red was cooked. I'm sick of bartenders flaring every drink they make. Dinner plates so hard I need my fucking skin replaced. I'm sick of when they say savings when I spend and say when they paid and they try to split the bill a million ways. I'm sick of getting sprayed and drenched when I change a keg. I'm sick of management behaving like a David Brent. I'm sick of David Gray getting played daily at every single cafe you've ever waited.